from the TMT space, and if you want to go in-house, there is a huge opportunity out there in the startup space, and you know, and there is need for talent, and there is need for expertise, and if you do have and even growing startups, so to speak, and who are now beginning to look at some legal support in-house. So so it's not that very early stage startups can't afford, won't be looking at hiring legal support. They will be looking at some cost-effective outsource support, etc. So wherever, but in the tech space, that could be an area where you could explore and examine. And there are many consultants out there that are doing hiring and specific hiring for startups and stuff like that. So that may be an area that one could consider exploring and examining. But I'm sure Jehan will give a better answer to this. So I'm leaning on him for this.
Thanks, Shruti. I have a slightly different view on this. And, this actually goes back to, what I've been telling a lot of freshers and, law students who I interact with, and say, the first thing you need to have is patience. And the second thing you need to have is the knowledge of the law. I mean, if you don't have these two, then you're going to have a problem anywhere you go, whether it's TMT or otherwise.
Well said.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you're saying, oh, I really want to do TMT, and I saw someone ask the question, I need to build my TMT skills, what should I do? Yeah. I mean, start with the law, please. Let's know the law. There's no excuse or substitute for not knowing the law. So once you know the law, I mean, the world is your oyster, right? When it comes to whether it's TMT or anything. And please be patient, right? All industries like telecom, like media. I'm not going to say technology, because technology is not so much an industry, and because every industry uses technology. But all sectors and go through a business life cycle, right? There'll be your troughs and there'll be your peaks. And, it is possible that when you graduate, or, when you're really looking out for a job in a sector, that sector is actually going through, one of its slower downturns. Okay. And, you have to give it time. And I'll give you an example that hits home to me. I passed out of business school in 2009, April. It was the worst time you could ever pass out of a business school as a finance graduate, because we all know what happened in 2008. Right? So we had one of the worst crises in 2008. Lehman crashed. Right? So, and yet, I mean, you have to be patient. You have to build your skill set. So please don't think that there is a shortcut to getting into TMT, or if there's a shortcut to excelling at TMT. It is not the case. It is not the case in any field of law, or I would say, for that matter, in any profession. And Absolutely. More so in law, where you basically need more patience than you do in other professions. Law, medicine are two professions where you need more patience.
So I'm nobody to judge their technology skills, because I myself am learning and continuously learning technology. And I think basic technology awareness, all you students already get, be it, how comfortable are you with new age technology? How comfortable are you with, just using it to your benefit? So essentially, I'm not sure, I mean, and given technology is evolving, you will have to be abreast with whatever's next in the space that you must be well versed with. That said, as one of the simplest things that I would expect a student to come equipped with is knowing enough through the studying years to be able to identify the area of law that the issue or the aspect that they're looking at belongs to. And then going and finding the answer through research, through whatever else that, research, case law, books, whatever, and being able to give a, a data set, maybe comprehensive, maybe a little more than what is needed and wanted, but being able to give the raw material, relevant raw material around the issue in question. And obviously, and then, as you rightly said, and then be able to learn to chisel out what is needed and wanted from that. So that's what I would look at in a student.